Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. We are talking and working with some Honda B-Series transmission cases. As you can see, the one on my right, your left, has been treated in the Gladiator. The Gladiator is right behind me here. This machine is the most value in the vapor honing market today, period. We have worked and developed on this machine now somewhere close to a year. We have a finished product here. We are moving these out the door as fast as we can build them, and there is one reason why: because it will produce great results like this each and every time. Today, automation is key. It's becoming more and more of an issue finding a skilled labor force or a labor force just to work in general. And obviously blasting something like this is going to take you a ton of time manually. Believe me, I've done it many times before in the past. So it's going to take you many hours of work. The Gladiator right now will do this particular part 95% complete in around 30 minutes. And that's what you see here. So imagine if you only had 5% to touch up in a manual cabinet. So imagine how much more output, how much more productivity you're going to get. And if somebody decides to call out on you, you're still going to be able to run this machine. That's the beautiful part. You might have to load the parts and unload the parts, but hey, that's all it is, load and unload. There's no skill behind it other than load, unload, and press a button. This machine, you've heard Zach go over it a couple times. The interface, the user interface is super easy to use. Set the part height, choose what program you want to run, whether it's index or rotary step, and then you hit go and the machine does the rest. The machine is set up as a closed loop. If you don't know what closed loop versus open loop is, go look it up on the channel. We have videos that describe open loop versus closed loop. That all is about filtering the water. So obviously in a remanufacturing instance like this, you're going to want to filter the water. You're going to have oils, grease, dirt, grime that's going to be coming off of these engine parts, and you're going to need to filter that out. So that's what the closed loop system is. It's not an option to not have it on the Gladiator. That's always a standard for closed loop, but just so you understand the process a little bit more. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the content that we're creating on this fantastic machine behind us. It is the most exciting machine in 2021. And we hope you have an application or a need. If you do, go check out the sales team, give them a call, shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.